This video will walk you through how to use Iris ID on your Magic Leap 2 so that you can unlock your device using just your eyes. When using Iris ID, an algorithm will create a template from your iris that's designed to be specific to you. And this template is processed locally on device and encrypted in a restricted area of your Magic Leap 2. When you set up Iris ID, you'll still be required to set up a PIN, and you'll need to enter it at least once before Iris ID is active to use. To set it up, go to Settings, Security. This feature is only available in the Enterprise and Developer Pro licenses and will not be visible in the base model. Since you can see it here, your license is activated properly, and it will be grayed out until you set up a PIN. If you're interested in upgrading your license, contact a reseller in your region. To learn more about managing your licenses, head to the links in the description. To create a PIN, navigate to Device Lock, PIN. It is recommended that your PIN is at least 6 digits. After you decide on a PIN, you will be prompted to enter it again. Next, create your Iris ID. Go to Iris ID, select it, and re-enter your PIN. Now the device will prompt you to run Custom Fit. This will help you select the appropriate nose and forehead pads for your face shape. If you've run Custom Fit before, these screens will not show up. If you're interested in running the Custom Fit app again, go to the home screen. During Custom Fit, you'll be asked to select the appropriate nose and forehead pads for your face shape. These accessories can be found in the fit kit provided in the box. Once you're in a good fit, or if you've already ran Custom Fit before, you will now be prompted to enroll your Iris ID. Click Start Scan, and then targets will appear to take pictures of your eyes to create the Iris ID. If there are issues with Iris enrollment, usually this is due to a poor fit. If you're still having trouble, refer to the Care Portal link in the description or contact customer care for support. Now that Iris ID is active, Auto Unlock is automatically turned on. You can access this feature by clicking on Iris ID again and re-entering your PIN. Auto Unlock enables you to automatically unlock the device without any interaction while the device is on your head. Just like most mobile phones, if your device is turned off and then on, you'll still be required to enter a PIN. Iris ID will be available again when your device goes into standby or sleep. Next, let's try locking the device. You can lock it from a few different places. To have it automatically lock or go into a sleep state, simply click the Magic Leap logo and then select those options. Or you can take the device off your head and let it automatically go into standby. This should take around 10 seconds. The device is now in standby. All you need to do is put the device on your head and you should see it scan for your Iris ID. It's unlocked, totally hands-free. To remove Iris ID, go to Settings, Security, Iris ID, and enter your PIN. There you'll see Iris options and then click Remove Iris ID. So now you know all the steps to set this up on your device.